Hey guys, welcome back. So I usually don't wear my hair straight that often, but when I do, I definitely rock the hell out of it. But of course, we all come to those moments where we just don't know what else to do with the straight hair and we just want to do something cute and super fast so we can just move on until it's wash day again. So I'm gonna do a quick little style just to see what we can come up with. I am kind of just freestyling because I didn't really figure out what I wanted to do yet. I might even just do like a braid and I don't know. But we're gonna figure it out together. Okay, so the first one is gonna be super easy to do. Literally all I'm gonna use is bobby pins because that's all I got right now. Okay, so I put a zigzag part. I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to use my brush and kind of, flatten it down. Take my pin and just put it in the front, and that's it. So if you don't want to leave it down, now you can always use a scrunchie and just put it in a cute little bun and call it a day with the pins like this. So I'm just gonna kind of put this back. It could be a little messy if you want. And that's it. Super cute, super easy. So I hope you guys try this out, and I'll see you guys again next time. Peace.